How many devices do you need to charge every day? Your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and probably your earphones too. However, try and charge them all at the same time, and this happens. Don't worry, you have a wireless charger. It's very convenient. However, this happens. Unfortunately, they're not as reliable as you think. Introducing the PITAKA Air Omni, the ultimate charging station for the whole Apple family. Powerful. It charges all of your devices simultaneously in an efficient, stylish, and simple way, regardless of whether it's a phone, tablet, earbuds, Apple Watch, or even your Apple TV controller. All of them can be charged efficiently in this compact space, keeping your table neat and tidy. Versatile. Whether wired or wirelessly, portrait or landscape, flat or docked, the versatile design allows you to charge your devices in the most convenient way for you. No need to sacrifice reliability for convenience. The MFI charging module ensures the safety and quality levels established by Apple. The chain-coiled transmitter layout technology means that you can put your device anywhere on the pad, and wireless charging starts immediately. Thanks to the patented mechanical design, the Lightning and USB-C terminal can be adapted to whatever device you have with a single click in seconds. The terminal rises or descends simply by adjusting the foldable stand. On the go. Power up all your gear during your next adventure, or share the power with your friends. Crafted with luxurious aramid fiber, aesthetically pleasing like a work of art, demonstrating the beauty of minimalism. And that's not all. A secret drawer is located on the side, allowing you to store small accessories when you need to. This is the Air Omni, the ultimate charging platform for Apple users everywhere.